Hey guys, Friday19999 AJ here, back at it again with another video. So this video is about art. So, here's my art then. Here is some of my best art. This is some of my pixel art. Here's some art that I traded a red long for. And I have this fan art of me. And I have this art of me. Well, not me, oh my god. I have that art. I have this art. I have this art. This art. This art made for my sister because if you didn't know already, I'm quitting. So, yeah. This art. And I'm still probably going to be making videos, but I'm not going to be on AJ. So, we have this art and just this art. That's all the arts in this then. So, yeah. If you want to see more videos of me showing off my art, leave a like. And if I sound different, that's probably because I'm sick. So, thanks for watching, guys, and bye.